We started a workshop where we were taking a gasoline car and converting it into an electric drive car. They come in on Friday and their toolbox is virtually empty. And throughout the 3 days that they are here, they are building their toolbox with knowledge and experience to be able to convert. Throughout the workshops, we believe that our students should have to know how each component communicates with each other. So they make a table test bench with all the components that they would need, have to wire both the low voltage and make high voltage cables, and it has to function in forward and reverse gear. Whether you are a automotive service, automotive facility owner, school teacher, there is something that you can get from this workshop. Everybody completed all the experiments. Everybody got their test bench operational. We actually converted the Jeepster so that now it runs from a gasoline to a electric drive within our 3 days.